This is frying up some chicken that's been seasoned. There we go. The chicken well browning. I've done one set, see? That's finished in the pot already. Everything now in the pot, seasoning and all. The browning that was underneath to kind of make it look like it was actually burning, but it wasn't. There we go. There it is, guys. I've put some water in it. So I'm gonna cover it down so it simmer right down to gravy, you know. Add my little bits. I'll show you the finished bit. So I've added some ketchup and a bit of barbecue sauce. Just a little bit, just to give it a little different taste, you know. It's chicken at first glance. Yeah, see? We're not finished yet. Just as, you know, simmer down. Just letting you have a look and see what's going on. Alright. Okay, cooking down now. Have a little stir at the gravy. You know? Gravy still not dead yet. Gone down still enough, but gravy is not where I want it. I want it dry out. You know, you want the gravy to eat with your food. But anyway, that's it there. It's not finished yet. Another 10 minutes more. 15 tops. Yeah, I should do it with this pot. Alright. Now, this is called down to gravy. This is down to gravy. This is what I'm looking for. Yeah. When I said to gravy, this is what I'm talking about. Gravy. The consistency. Yeah. That is what I am saying. That's what I'm looking for.